This model kit review is of the Hawker Fury, and this is a very old model kit. It is a 1/48 scale model by PYRO, and they're no longer in existence. Let's have a look here. Some details about the plane, and let's have a look inside. Some very old sprues here. Molding quality is actually reasonable. There's some detail on the wings here. Here's our radiator, which is underneath, and our wheels and parts of our landing gear. Here are the other wings. These are not all that well molded. Look at these mold lines here, not quite lined up. And we've got some additional parts. Here's our control stick over here, and some of the struts for our wings. We have our stabilizer and tail. Here's our fuselage, which you can see some of the markings, the surface detail. It is all raised, as was the case for many of these older model kits. No detail on the inside of that fuselage. Here is the lower half of the pilot. We have an instrument panel, very basic. We have a seat and a cockpit floor, and some more of the struts. Here's the other side of the fuselage. You can almost see the marking of the make out of a Hawker Hurricane here. This is one of the predecessors. Here's our propeller. Here we have our decals. And looks like we have the top part of our pilot guy there, and the wing section there. And we have a clear plastic, nothing really. I don't see any pieces there. It's good it's come off, and there it is. Here is our windshield. Let's have a look at our instructions here. These older instructions are really just an exploded view. They do tell you what to do here on this left hand side. It's honestly not worth the effort. It takes so long to read that. But here's the exploded view showing the wings, struts going together, fuselage going together with all the different pieces inside, tail, stabilizer, propeller, landing gear, and then there is also supposed to be a stand, which I don't see, but I don't use the stands anyway. I don't like them. And here are more of the instructions, and then how to do the rigging. There you go. And then decals and painting. And it's supposed to all be silver. So all in all, not a lot of detail. It's an old kit. Decals are still reasonable shape, but so it should be an interesting build, and opportunity to improve it, adding details if you want to.